Hey guys, today we will discuss about top 9 plants that grow without mud and soil, so let's start the video. For millennia, we've understood the cycle of life to begin with a seed, finding purchase in fertile soil. But nature, in its ingenuity, always offers alternatives. Hidden in plain sight are a wealth of plants that thrive not in the earth, but in other mediums, utilizing water, air, and ingenious adaptations to flourish. This is the world of soilless gardening, a method as old as time itself, now finding new life in our modern homes. It's a world of clean, efficient, and often stunningly beautiful ways to bring nature indoors. Join me as we explore the fascinating lives of plants that defy convention and discover how you too can cultivate these botanical wonders in your own home. Our journey begins with the spider plant, known for its air-purifying qualities and cascading foliage. What makes this plant remarkable is its ability to reproduce without soil. Slender stems emerge, each bearing a miniature version, a pup. These pups, suspended in mid-air, develop roots that dangle like delicate threads. This is soilless propagation. Provide it with water, and it will thrive, bypassing the earth altogether. Its resilience makes it perfect for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Our next subject thrives in arid environments. Its fleshy leaves a testament to its water-storing capabilities. Aloe vera, revered for its medicinal properties, is another champion of soilless growth, though it employs a slightly different strategy. While perfectly capable of growing in soil, aloe vera can also thrive in a well-draining, gravelly medium, mimicking its natural desert habitat. This is because its roots are adapted to seek moisture from deep within the ground and are prone to rot if exposed to excessive dampness. Soilless mixes, often composed of perlite, vermiculite, and coarse sand, provide the perfect balance of aeration and moisture retention, allowing the aloe vera to flourish. In such an environment, its roots remain healthy, and its leaves plump, ready to offer their soothing gel when needed. This ability to thrive in such harsh conditions speaks volumes about aloe vera's resilience and adaptability, making it a perfect candidate for soilless gardening, especially for those seeking low-maintenance, yet rewarding, plant companions. We turn our attention now to a plant that embodies elegance and sophistication, the orchid. Orchids, with their exotic blooms and graceful structure, often inspire a sense of awe and intimidation for aspiring gardeners. However, understanding their natural environment unveils the secret to their soilless success. In the wild, many orchids are epiphytes, meaning they grow not in soil, but upon other plants, typically trees. They are not parasites, drawing no sustenance from their host, but rather using them as anchors to reach for sunlight and moisture from the air. Their roots, thick and often exposed, are specially adapted to absorb water and nutrients from the humid air and rainwater that trickles down tree bark. This is why orchids thrive in loose, airy potting mixes that mimic their natural environment. These mixes, often composed of bark chips, coconut husk, and perlite, provide excellent drainage and aeration, preventing the roots from becoming waterlogged. So, while orchids may appear delicate, their ability to flourish without soil speaks to their remarkable evolutionary adaptation. Chapter 4. Few plants embody resilience and adaptability quite like the pothos. This popular houseplant, admired for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, thrives in a variety of conditions, including soilless environments. Pothos are natural climbers, their aerial roots seeking out surfaces to cling to and draw moisture from. In their native habitat, this might be a moss-covered tree trunk or a damp rock face. In our homes, they readily adapt to water-filled vases or jars, their roots happily absorbing nutrients dissolved in the water. This ease of propagation makes pothos a favorite for beginners. Simply snip a healthy vine, place it in water, and watch as roots sprout, transforming the cutting into a new, independent plant. This process, known as water propagation, highlights the pothos' remarkable ability to thrive without soil. Whether cascading from a shelf, climbing a moss pole, or adding a touch of green to a simple jar of water, the pothos reminds us that beauty and resilience can be found in the most unexpected places. Chapter 5. Our exploration of soilless wonders continues with another popular houseplant, the philodendron. Known for its striking foliage, varying from heart-shaped leaves to deeply lobed varieties, the philodendron, like its cousin the pothos, exhibits a remarkable ability to adapt to soilless conditions. In their natural rainforest habitat, Philodendrons often begin life as epiphytes, germinating in the canopy and sending down aerial roots that eventually reach the forest floor. This dual nature, comfortable both in soil and without, makes them ideal candidates for soilless gardening. Like pothos, philodendrons readily root in water, making propagation a breeze. Their aerial roots, designed to absorb moisture from the humid air, quickly adapt to drawing nutrients from water alone. This adaptability extends to various soilless mediums, including leca, a lightweight, porous clay aggregate that provides excellent aeration and drainage. So, whether you choose to showcase your philodendron in a striking hydroponic setup or a simple vase filled with water, remember, this adaptable plant is always ready to embrace a life beyond soil. Chapter 6. Despite its name, our next plant is not a bamboo at all but a type of Dracaena, native to the rainforests of Central Africa. Lucky bamboo, as it's commonly known, has become a popular symbol of prosperity and good fortune, often grown in water-filled containers. This practice stems from the plant's remarkable ability to thrive solely in water. Its stems, often trained into intricate shapes, readily sprout roots that draw all the necessary nutrients from the water itself. It's crucial, however, to use filtered or non-chlorinated water to prevent damage to the plant. While lucky bamboo can tolerate low light conditions, it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Regular water changes, every 1 to 2 weeks, are essential to prevent stagnation and ensure a healthy root system. With minimal care, this fascinating plant can flourish for years, bringing a touch of zen and a dash of good luck to your home. Chapter 7. Airplants, masters of the unconventional. Our journey into the world of soilless gardening takes a truly remarkable turn as we encounter plants that defy expectations, airplants. These botanical wonders, belonging to the Tillandsia genus, have evolved to survive without any soil whatsoever, drawing moisture and nutrients from the air around them. Their leaves, often covered in specialized scales called trichomes, act like tiny sponges, absorbing water and nutrients from rain, dew, and even humidity. This remarkable adaptation allows airplants to thrive in a variety of environments, from arid deserts to humid rainforests. In our homes, airplants can be displayed in a multitude of creative ways, nestled in shells, mounted on driftwood, or simply placed in a decorative bowl. They require no soil, only occasional misting or soaking to keep their trichomes hydrated. Their ability to flourish without soil makes airplants a fascinating conversation starter and a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Chapter 8. The Peace Lily's Tranquil Beauty. Our penultimate stop brings us to the peace lily, a symbol of tranquility and hope, prized for its elegant white blooms and air-purifying qualities. The peace lily adapts to soilless environments, showcasing its versatility and resilience. In rainforests, it often grows as an epiphyte, drawing moisture and nutrients from the air. This makes it an excellent candidate for hydroponic systems. In water, its roots thrive, absorbing nutrients. Regular water changes prevent stagnation. Whether in a sunlit window or a hydroponic setup, its adaptability and beauty shine. Chapter 9. English Ivy, a cascade of green. Often seen cascading from window boxes and climbing stone walls. Known for its lush foliage and air-purifying qualities, it thrives in soil and soilless environments. Its trailing vines root in water, making propagation simple. Flourishes in bright, indirect sunlight but tolerates low light. Change water every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure healthy roots. Display in a hanging basket or vase, showcasing its adaptability. Outro. Embrace the world of soilless gardening. From the resilient spider plant to the air-purifying peace lily, we've explored a diverse range of plants that flourish without soil, demonstrating that nature's ingenuity knows no bounds. Soilless gardening offers a clean, efficient, and often surprisingly easy way to bring the beauty of nature indoors. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of water propagation, the elegance of orchids in bark mixes, or the intrigue of air plants thriving on air alone, there's a soilless gardening method waiting to be discovered. So, why not embark on your own soilless gardening adventure today? Experiment, explore, and discover the joy of nurturing these incredible plants that thrive beyond the boundaries of traditional gardening. Don't forget to like this video, share your experiences in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy growing! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.